Okay, in that exercise 2.1, then the fourth question. A rectangular sheet of a paper is, here the rectangular sheet of paper. Here the rectangular sheet paper 12 integer 1 by 2 centimeter long. It's long means the length of a rectangle. Okay, here the length. In a rectangle, the opposite sides are equal and parallel. Here length equal to 12 integer 1 by 2 centimeter and breadth 10 integer. The wide means breadth of the rectangle. Here the 10 integer, your breadth is equal to 10 integer 2 by 3 centimeter. Okay, here the length 12 integer 1 by 2. Here length of rectangular length of rectangular sheet L is equal to 12 integer 1 by 2 centimeter. Length of rectangular sheet paper or sheet or paper. Next, breadth of rectangular sheet of paper, and this one B. Here 10 integer 2 by 3 centimeter. Okay, here wait. Okay, here then these two are in the mixed fraction, convert into improper fraction. 2 12s are 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 1 is 25 by 2 centimeter length, and 10 3s are 30, 30 plus 2 32 by 3 centimeter. Here 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 1 25 by 2 centimeter length, and 10 3s are 30, 30 plus 2 32 centimeter by 3. Okay, here then the find its perimeter. Then what is perimeter? Here breadth is equal to 10 integer 2 by 3 centimeter and length is equal to 12 integer 1 by 2 centimeter. The perimeter of rectangle is the total sum of length of all its sides. Length, breadth, L plus B plus B. The perimeter is then the boundary along the closure figure. Okay, here then the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. Here L plus B plus B. It means 2L plus 2B. 2L plus 2B. Take 2 as a common. Here the perimeter 2L plus B. 2L plus B. The perimeter of rectangle is here L plus B plus B. Okay, 2 lengths and 2 breadth means 2L plus 2B. 2L plus 2B. 2L plus 2B. The 2 has common. L plus B. Okay, and this is perimeter of a rectangle. The perimeter of rectangle. Here substitute the values. Then length of rectangle 25 by 2 plus 32 by 3. Okay, here 2, the take LCM 2 and 3 is a 6. Okay, 6. Then 2 3s are and 3 2s are. 2 3s and 3 2s. 25 3s 75 plus 32 2s 64. Here 2 and 3. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. 2 3s 3 2s. 25 3s 75 plus 32 2s 64. Here 2 into 75 plus 64. 75 plus 64 130 139. 139 by 6. 2 1s 2 3s 2 1s 2 3s. Okay, here the answer is 130. Here right, 139 by 3. 139 by 3 and write in simplest form. Simplest form 3. 3 3 3 139. 3 4s are 12. 19. 3 6 are 18. Okay. Here 146 by 3. Okay, 46 by 3 is a perimeter. Therefore, perimeter of rectangle is 43 by 43 integer 1 by 3 centimeter. Okay, the first here, then second. Okay, here the perimeter of rectangle. Here length and breadth. Here the 2L. 2L plus 2B means 2 bracket of L plus B. Here the 2 75. The 6 is a LCM. Then 2 3s and 3 2s 25 3 75 and 32 2s 64. Here 2. Then 75 plus 64 is 139. 2 2 3s 6. Okay. Then 46 integer 1 by 3. Okay. Then fifth one question. Okay, the fifth one. Find the perimeter of triangle ABE, and the second one the rectangle, BCDE. Okay, BCDE in this figure whose perimeter is greater. Whose perimeter is greater. Whose perimeter is greater. Here the diagram. Okay, A, B, C, D and E. The dimensions here 3 integer 3 by 5 centimeter, and this one 2 integer 3 by 4 centimeter, and this one 5 by 2 centimeter, and this one 7 by 6 centimeter. Okay, then whose perimeter is greater? Yavudur perimeter. ಈಗ ಎರಡು figure in this figure, then two shapes are there. Here one is a rectangle, the another one is one is a triangle and the other one is rectangle. Here the triangle is ABE and the rectangle is BCED. Okay, BCDE. Okay, then find the whose perimeter is greater. ಈ ಎರಡು perimeter ತೆಗಿರಿ, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ದೊಡ್ಡದೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, first triangle. Okay, take a triangle. Solution. in a triangle ABE. In a triangle ABE, then sides of a triangle. Sides of a triangle. Sides of a triangle ABE. Sides of triangle ABE. Here, then side. Here, this one take A, and this one B, and this one C. Okay. Here, A is equal to 5 by 2 centimeter, and B is 2 integer 3 by 4 centimeter, and C is equal to, take this one, sorry, take X. Okay, A, B, C, small letter ABC. C is equal to 2 integer, this one B. Okay, this one B and this one C. B, C, 3 integer 3 by 5 centimeter. Okay. Then the perimeter of rectangle. The perimeter is the length along the boundary of the closure figure. Length along the boundary of the closure figure means the sum of length of all sides. Length of all sides. Here the sum of length of all sides, it means the perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter of a triangle is A plus B plus C. ಯಾವುದೇ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ತಗೋರಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇದ್ರ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಷ್ಟು ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಇದ್ರ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ A 5 by 2 plus, okay, this one convert into, okay, next convert 2 3 4 plus C is 3 integer 3 by 5. Okay, the convert into, mixed into improper. 5 by 2 plus 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 is 11 by 4 plus 5 3s are 15, 15 18 by 5. Here 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 3 is 18 by 5. The take LCM of 2 4 5, 2 4 5. Here the LCM 2 4 5. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 5s are, 2 1s are and 5 1s are, means 5 4s are 20. 20 is a LCM. Okay, here the 20 is LCM. 20 is LCM. The next 2 10s are, 2 10s are, 4 5s are, 5 4s are. Okay, 5 4s are. Here 2 10s are 20, 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are 20. Okay, 5 10s are 50 plus 11 5s are 55, then 18 5s are 40 40 80, 10 40s, 10 4s are 40, sorry, 10 4s are 40, 72, 72. Okay, here 100 plus 70, then 177 by 20. 177 by 20 is a perimeter of a rectangle, perimeter of the triangle. Here the 177 by 20, your cancellation. Okay, then write in a simplest form, then 20 177 20, here 21 20. Okay, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 25 are 100, 2 9s are 18, 2 7s are 2 8s are, okay, 8s are 160 by 17. It means here 18 17 and 20. 18 17 and 20. Okay, here 20, 2, 20, 10, sorry, 8, 8, sorry, 8. Here 2 8s are 160, 160 plus 17 is 177. Okay, then this is a perimeter of a rectangle. This is perimeter of a, sorry, triangle. Then the perimeter of triangle ABE is 177 by 20, or in the simplest form 8 integer 17 by 20. Okay, then next find the perimeter of a rectangle. Write this one, 177 by 20. Okay, then the perimeter here, then here the perimeter of a triangle, then the perimeter of a rectangle. Which one is greater? ಎರಡು perimeter ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Here the length in a rectangle, which one? B C D E. Length of the rectangle, here L. What is length? Here the length of the rectangle, this one. Here B, then this is dimensions. ABC are the sides of the triangle. Here in the triangle, the sides of the triangle, here the length of the triangle is equal to the side of the triangle, second side of the triangle. Okay, here the length, then this one is the length, and this one is, sorry, this is length 2 integer 3 by 4 centimeter, and this one is breadth. Okay, this B is then this side of the triangle. Here the length is 2 integer 3 by 4 centimeter, and convert into improper. 4 2s are 8 and 11 by 4 centimeter. Then breadth of the rectangle B, breadth is 7 by 6 centimeter. Then what is perimeter? Here the perimeter is equal to 2 of L plus B. Perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 of L plus B. Okay, substitute the values. 2 into length of rectangle 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6. Okay, then 4 and 6 are the denominators, and take 4 and 6. 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 1s are 3 1s are 2 3s are 6 6 2s are 12. Okay, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2 and 3 1s are 2 into 3 is 12. Okay, the LCM is 12. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Here 2 into 12, 4 3s are 12, and 6 2s are 11 3s are 33 plus 7 2s are 14, and this one 2 integer 33 plus 14 is 44 by 12. Here the 47 30 plus 44 and 3 7, 47 by 12. 47 by 12. Here 2 ones are 2 6 are. It means 47 by 6. Write in a simplest form. Here 6 6, 7s are 42, and 5. The 7 integer 5 by 6 centimeter. The perimeter of the rectangle is 47 by 6, and the perimeter of the triangle is here. Which one is greater? The 177 one is greater here. 6 7s are. Then write decimal. 6 7s are 42. 7 here. 20. 20 8s are. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. It means 160. Okay. Which is greater? 7 is greater or 8 is greater? 7 is greater. Sorry, 8 is greater. It means 177. 177 by 6 is greater than 47. Sorry, 20 is greater than 6. Then which one is greater? In ascending descending order, the comparing these two, so which one is greater? First take a LCM of 20 and 6. 20 and 6, and then multiply the LCM to each fraction. In the previous previous question, third one, arranging the ascending descending order, same procedure. Okay, 177 is by 20 is greater than 47 by 6. Here in the decimal, 6 4 6 7s are 42. Here 7 le cancel agutte. 6 7s are 42. Illi 28s are 8 doddo 7 doddo. 8 is a bigger value. Mean this is the greater than this one. It means therefore whose perimeter is greater? Area of the triangle. Sorry, perimeter. Perimeter of the triangle ABE is greater. Perimeter of the triangle AB is greater. Okay.